G'day, David here from Goggleman, and today I'm here to tell you about our Prescription Motocross RX Adaptor. The RX Adaptor is an insert that can be configured to many types of motocross and enduro and adventure goggles. The RX Adaptor was specifically designed by an optician in the USA back in 1995 and has been tried and tested since by riders all around the world. The RX Adaptor has been specifically designed for riders who require glasses or contact lenses in their everyday life but struggle to incorporate these things into their goggles while they're riding. The adapters eliminate all the problems associated with trying to juggle your glasses or your contact lenses in riding environments such as these. The dust and the dirt can be dangerous for contact lenses, and glasses, well, they simply don't work or they just fog up. The insert is configured to suit many types of motocross goggles. Once it's configured, it goes into the back side of the goggle and fits nice and snug inside your goggle, eliminating all vibration and all associated problems that you might get from glasses or contact lenses. In your insert, we place your prescription lenses that have been ground 100% correct to your regular daily prescription. So we match your prescription to your daytime glasses. As a glasses wearer, you'll know that juggling your glasses with your goggles can be really problematic. Just getting them comfortable, stopping them vibrating can be problematic in itself, but then additionally, glasses just fog up really badly. So to eliminate the fogging problem, we take a premium anti-fog coating and apply it to the front and back surfaces of the lens, so fogging is never an issue and it lasts for the lifetime of the product. We have two types of lens options. One, a standard plastic lens for those that want a bit more affordability, and the second option we use, and our most popular by far, is the high impact polycarbonate lens. The benefit of the polycarbonate lens is it's made of the same material as a pair of workplace safety glasses, so you know you've got a built-in safety factor against any fast travelling missiles or anything coming flying at your face. Ordering is a simple process. You just send us a copy of your prescription and we take your prescription and we manufacture that into the insert, so you're running the same script as you are during the day with your daytime glasses as you are in the RX Adaptor. The RX Adaptor has brought so many benefits to riders over the years, and we're confident you're going to love them so much that you'll never go back to glasses or contacts again. But just in case they're not for you, everything we do comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like them, we'll give you your money back.